I'm Sergeant Reynolds from the Thurston County Sheriff's Office. I'd like to take a few minutes to talk to you about survivor safety. Your safety matters, both in the physical world and online. If you are a survivor of domestic violence, abusers may try to track, monitor, or harass you digitally and in person. This training will guide you through practical steps to protect your devices, secure your online presence, guard against stalking, and stay safe. You don't need to be a tech expert. Small, consistent actions can make a big difference in keeping you and your loved ones safe. Abusers sometimes use Apple AirTags or other Bluetooth tracking devices to monitor your movements without consent. Some of those devices can look like these. iPhone users. Your phone will alert you if an unknown AirTag is moving with you. Android users. Download the Tracker Detect app to scan for nearby AirTags. Physically inspect bags, pockets, cars, clothing, and children's items. If you find a device, do not destroy it. Contact law enforcement or a trusted advocate. It may be needed as evidence. Cyberstalking is a common tool abusers use to maintain control, along with direct stalking in the real world. Signs may include repeated messages, location tracking, impersonation online, or monitoring devices. Save evidence. Screenshots, messages, emails, voicemails. Block and report abusive accounts when safe. Use strong, unique passwords. Avoid sharing your location, routines, or personal details publicly. If you suspect stalking in person, trust your instincts and alert law enforcement or an advocate. Abusers sometimes access phones, computers, and Wi-Fi to monitor or stalk you. Protecting your devices can prevent digital stalking. Keep software and apps updated. Use two-factor authentication for accounts. Secure Wi-Fi with a strong password that doesn't include personal info. Limit device access to trusted people. Think of your devices like your home. Lock the doors and make sure only trusted people have access. Abusers can use online information to stalk or manipulate you. Reducing your digital footprint protects your safety. Adjust privacy settings on social media and apps. Avoid posting real-time locations publicly. Use separate emails for sensitive accounts. Search your name online to see what is public. Spyware and stalkerware have made it easier than ever for perpetrators to stalk, track, monitor, and harass victims. Abusers, stalkers, and other perpetrators can use spyware to secretly monitor what you do on your mobile device, such as smartphone or tablet. If you suspect you're being monitored, be aware that anything you do on that device may be seen by the abuser, even searching for help. Use a device that the abusive person isn't monitoring. Trust your instincts and look for patterns to help figure out what the person might be doing. Spyware or stalkerware is an app, software program, or device that enables somebody to secretly monitor another person's phone or computer. It can facilitate surveillance, harassment, abuse, and stalking without the user's consent, and is often hidden or hard to detect. Abusers may also misuse legitimate features like Find My iPhone or Find My Phone or Family Locator apps. In most cases, it is illegal to install spyware or stalkerware without someone's permission. Depending on circumstances, it can violate laws on stalking, harassment, unauthorized computer access, or wiretapping. For more on laws related to electronic surveillance, visit womenslaw.org or Washington State's RCWs. Digital and physical safety go hand in hand. Always trust your instincts and have a plan for emergencies. Resources for domestic violence survivors. The National Domestic Violence Hotline. Family Justice Center at Family Support Center. Online safety guides, NNEDV Safety Net Project. Reach out to a trusted advocate or Family Justice Center for support. You don't have to face this alone. In closing, your safety, both online and offline, matters. By taking control of your devices, accounts, routines, and information, you strengthen your protection against stalking and abuse. You deserve to live safely and without fear. Remember, small steps today equals stronger safety tomorrow.